Including animated infographics in important presentations can make your message much easier for audiences to comprehend, but finding engaging and modern infographics to use in presentations can sometimes be a bit of a struggle. Use this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Infographic Video Templates list to discover an array of elements to enhance your audience's experience. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Infographic by Tega2. Perfectly suited to wowing corporate clients and business partners, this infographic template is clean, crisp, and dynamic. Moving graphs and charts draw the eye and easily communicate important statistics. Number 9. Infographic Designer by Elena M. This infographic video template pack is out of this world. The graphics are stunning, it's easy to customize with your own numbers, and you can even change the colors to suit your branding. A mix of markers, pie charts, graphs, and more make this pack a truly helpful resource. Number 8. Corporate Infographics Volume 30 by IconsX. Sleek, modern elements come together in this animated infographic template pack to lay the analytics on the table and set the facts straight. Any corporate presentation can be taken to the next level by adding the simple air of flair these elements portray. Number 7. Managed Infographic Elements by Concept Cafe. This template pack gives off a slight futuristic vibe with a neon color scheme and highly versatile animations. All infographic settings are customizable, so you can tailor any preset data to match your findings. Schemes, timelines, callouts, and more are all included. Number 6. Easy Infographic for Premiere by Motion Wizard Studio. A simple bundle that makes your life and the lives of the people you report to much easier. Monday morning meetings will be something to look forward to when you jazz up your reports with these easy-to-use infographics. If you've found the items in this countdown useful, be sure to like this video and click the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. And now we return to our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Infographic Video Templates list. Number 5. Infographics Charts Pack by DreamYard Visuals. Contained in this pack are 28 charts with a highly modern design to help you create minimalistic infographics for all your reporting needs. From bar graphs to pie charts, your data has never looked this good. Number 4. Infographics by Real Motion. 150 scenes, dark and light color themes, diagrams, pie charts, graphs, world maps, widgets, and more. This infographic video template pack is highly versatile and holds everything you need to create stunning visuals to accompany important business presentations. Number 3. Infographic Maker by Aquavitae. Transform large volumes of data or company information into elegant, fully animated infographics with the number 3 template in this countdown. Video infomercials, sales pitches, and business meetings no longer need to be dull. Use this resource to spice things up a little. Number 2. HUD Dashboard Infographics by Premium Milk. See your business stats up in lights, or darkness, with this contemporary animated video dashboard. Light and dark options, fully editable elements, modern themes, and a number of charts and graphs combine to bring the data behind your business to the forefront. Number 1. Corporate Infographics Charts Pack by Motion Media Group. For corporate professionals, business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone else who needs to present data in a meaningful, comprehensible way, this pack works wonders. Use stunning infographics in your brand colors to show investors, stakeholders, and potential clients just how successful your business can be. Let us know in the comments which of these Envato Elements Top 10 Best Infographic Video Templates you'd use in your next presentation. Before you go, the next video in the queue has been chosen just for you, so don't forget to check it out. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep creating content that inspires. Find all the best infographic video templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Now go out there and wow your boss, your next investor, or that major client you've been trying to impress.